Arri is introducing a completely new and complete large format camera system. Cinematographers, directors, all creatives of the industry are always looking for new ways to tell their story. They're always looking for new looks. They all want to pull the audience into their story. The Arri large format camera system has a three-dimensional feel and really pulls the viewer further in. The new Arri signature primes are really stunning. They have a look that is absolutely beautiful. Very nice bokeh, very shallow depth of field, a creamy, warm, natural look. So that's why we called it the signature look, because we want cinematographers to give their signature to their image.